In this video, I will show you how to add balance to your demo account on Exness. So there are two ways how you can do it. And first one is when you are on this web trading, you want to click on demo account on top, then click on top up, and this will top up your balance by 1000 USD. So this is a very slow method. And let's say you want to add custom amount. You can do it by clicking on those 9 dots, then choose personal area. From here, select my accounts under trading and then click on demo and choose your account. So choose your demo account and click on set balance next to it. And here you can type your custom amount. So let's say I want to start with 100K. So I'm going to type 100,000, then click on set balance. And now your balance has been updated. So if I open this web trading, as you can see, we have 100,000. So this is how you can add balance to your demo account on Exness. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.